Yeah, as you see, we not really run that fast because we not really too deep on the years, you know. Look at the early still, so let's take a time and go through, you see me. Look at the sky, you see me. Sky look beautiful and thing. Yeah, I want to play them busy today, you know.
Yeah! Good! Yes! Jaja, I give thanks and praise. Yeah! We don't know no meals. Yeah! Watch this! Watch the sky, bro, G! Give thanks, Jaja, yeah? Yeah, yeah, one thing I know in life, you know. Any girl that want me when me dirty, can't get me when me clean. Look at it. Fuck up here. Fuck up here. Look at this. Look at that.
Boy, I may not reach there yet, but one day.
One blood clot
One day,
there.
by hook.
Another 2 there. And hook or the cook. Kill a maca joke. Fuck to them. You know we? Yeah, know we. Come into your classic.
This is how we set the dinner
so
fish
time
net.
to unleash the dragon, you don't know the thing set. It's a good look. That long style, you know.
Captain Unruly. Tio.
Yeah, so this is a floating channel, you don't know the thing set. And this kill the kingfish and the jack them, you see me? Yeah, so it looks similar to sprat net, you see me? But only thing they mash up bigger and thing, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, me I throw over stone them one by one. Yeah. And the captain guide the net, you see me? Yeah. So just a do thing, you know? Yeah, until everything done. Yeah, so how the net operate is like a fence. The stone sink and the cork line float. So it's like a big fence, you know. Fish would like swim and get caught just like that. So we block off a good section of the sea, as you can see. It's a very long net. Yeah, long net, like a dragon or a train. Yeah, so everything you see we are doing in the video is like a daily routine, you know, something we used to, so it come like nothing. Yeah, so him can even drive the boat even more faster and thing, and still do thing. Yeah, as you can see. That come to the end and thing, so time for the leg of the anchor, you know. So I have to put the anchor on the side and my foot get tangled with the rope. So I'm going to put half of it in the water. So by the time it's done, just all it make it get stiff and let it go. See it? Yeah, let it go.
Watch till the end.
Yeah, so yeah, overall,
Demarian.
make sure say everything afloat and thing. See net? So long it be.
Yeah, so we pull out all the pin up areas so the net can keep float. You understand? Sal. Way down there, so. Right back there, way down there, so.